good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
So before we start, let's all rise up to prayer. Count prayer.
Okay, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Spirit. Our Father, all together.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who offend us. And not bring us into temptation, but evil. Amen.
So before you take it down, so please pick up the pieces of trash under your chairs. So again, good morning, grade 5 students.
Good morning, teacher.
So wala ba'y absent today? Wala. So if wala na, so let's start. So before we start, what is our last topic? Yes, Macau.
Constellation.
So about constellation. So before I start this, I have only 2 classroom rules. So first is listen. Listen to those people who are speaking in front, and also listen to your classmate if mag-answer sila. And second is raise your right hand if ganahan mo answer and gonna answering others. So now our lesson objectives will be: first, define a circle, diameter, and a radius. Second, calculate the area of a circle using the formula A is equal to pi r squared. And the third is develop a confidence and ability to solve the area of a circle and feel motivated to apply knowledge to the real world situation. So are you all guys ready?
Yes.
So now, I have here an object. So, can someone tell me what are the shape of this object?
Circle.
Yes, circle. Circle. So, I have here sketch tape, coin, and a bottle cup. So, aside from the particular circle objects that I have shown to you, can you give me another circular object? Circle? Yes, Aya?
Pizza.
Thank you. Very good. Another? Yes? Train. Thank you. Another?
Electric fan. Ball picture.
Oh, another? Black. Very good. So all your answer is correct. And okay, thank you for your participation. So, and also, is the planet circle or a square? To continue, let me call Miss Laura.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning,
teacher Laura.
All of you need more energy, so I may request everyone to please all rise up. Rise up. Raise your right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Jump 3 times. 1. Jump 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Raise your right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Sit down. So are you now all good?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, since you all know the shape of the planet is round, so I have here a short problem. So what we are going to do is we will have an activity. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now you will count up from 1 to 6. Okay, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, up to
1.
5.
5.
6, 4.
5.
6.
Group 1, sit here. Group 2, go to your seats. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At the count of 5, you go to your seats. 1, 2, 3,
6 ka ulit.
5. So everyone sit down. So every group should choose one group leader. Okay? Then the leader will welcome the members of the group. Aminaw ba ang tanan? Kasi sayaon, ang tanan grupo magpili og usa ka leader. Unya, ang leader mo'y mag-count sa iyahang members including niya. Pagkakuha na ang members should remember your number, okay? Kaya after that, naatay question and answer. Nakasabot? Okay, naku ihatag mo papel. Okay, every group, form a circle. Okay na? So everyone read aloud the problem. 1, 2, 3, go. So do you understand what's going? Are you ready? Masabot na mo? Yes! Sa inyo ipambasa or usahon pa nato usap? Okay, kay nakasabot naman diay mo na ako yung question. So where is the group 5? Group 5. Member number 5. Read the question. I will read the question, then you will tell us the answer. So the question is, how do you show your love and care to our planet?
In that question, I will show on how, like, mamuli ko basura sa kwan. I-segregate na ko ang garbage.
Okay, very good. So for the group 2, member number 4. The question is, what does she need to make an illustration of a planet? The planet. The question is, what does she need to make an illustration of the planet? Okay, very good. So group 3, member number 2. The question is, to whom she asked to buy the illustration board? Okay, very good. Next is group 4. Member number 3. Stand up. Question, are the planets important? Why? Okay, listen to Mary's answer. Everyone. Again, the question is, are the planets important? Why? Okay, very good. One of the example of Mary Ruth is the planet Earth. The planet Earth is important. It is because here we are living. So, dili ta nagpuyo sa Earth, di ba? Kaya kung sa ubang planeta ta, pwede ta itong masunog or dili ta mabuhi. So, kung kaya wala ta dito'y makaon. Nakasagot? Yes. Okay, very good. So, for group number 5, number 6, member number 1. Okay, the question is, what good traits does May Elizabeth possess? Again, what good traits does May Elizabeth possess?
May Elizabeth possess being responsible teacher. O ganang nasa siya creativity.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, for everyone, question is, based on our activity, what do you think would be the lesson we are going to discuss today?
Mars. Planet. Earth.
Wow. Okay. Aya?
I think our topic will be area of a circle.
Area of a circle. So, since Aya said that our topic would will be area of a circle because the planets are round shape. So, Miss Mary Joyla, what will further discuss what would be our topic for today?
Class? Yes! So now, since kayo naman mo kung sa atong topic, so, unsa kayo ng area of a circle? Unsa po ang mga formula sa area of a circle?
Wala.
So, area of a circle has two pure formulas, which are radius and diameter. And ato ginailangon si diameter.
Sayang.
Since nag-integrate man sa science na subject, which are the planets, now, ang atong gamiton na circle is ang planet na Earth. So, ang diameter, what is diameter? So, ang diameter ni it is a line segment at question is, what are the given?
Between 36 centimeter and 55
Can you, if you want to answer, just raise your hand. Do not answer in chorus. What is asked? What are the given? Okay, Vermeil.
So the Earth with a diameter of 36 centimeter and Mars with a diameter of 25 centimeter.
Very good, Vermeil. So, ano tanawag ko? Kung sakto ba siya ang imuhang answer? So, the diameter of Earth illustration, 36 centimeter. O diameter of Venus illustration, 25 centimeter. So, very good, Vermeil. The next question is, what operation will we use?
Diameter.
What operation? Is it multiplication?
Big
Okay?
diameter.
Romano? Yes, very good. It is multiplication and division. The answer is multiplication and division. And then the next question, what is the formula?
E
A equals to R. Okay, now what? The formula of diameter is D is equal to 2 times R radius. Then the formula of radius is R equals radius or R equals to diameter divided by 2. Okay. So, ang A is equal to pi R squared. Why man is because ang atong ipakita is ang area of a circle. Then, the D is ang area of a circle, it is symbolized as length. Ang pagitaw na ni is si radius naman. Then, ang kanin si D is katong si diameter. So, A is equal to pi R squared, or D equal to 2R. And then the next question is, what is the solution? What is the solution? You know already the formula, and all you need to do is substitute na lang the given na mga numbers, and then you can come here to the in front and so ako lang sa iba. So kung saan ang solution natin niya between the Mars and the Earth? So ang solution here is ang formula dun sa area of a circle is the pi r squared, right?
Yes.
Then ang mga formula sa mga significant mga parts sa circle is the diameter, radius muna siya. And then now, ang atong ipakita is kung si diameter o radius. So ang atong pagkakon sa Earth is which is 36
Centimeter.
ang iyakang radius. Then, ito siyang i-divide into 2, di ba? Divide into 2 is the diameter. The radius
Radius,
here.
radius.
Here, the radius. D is equal to, D divided by 2. 36 centimeters divided by 2 is equal to 18 centimeters. And now, ang ato na pagkitaon kung sa ang iyahang area of a circle. Now, ang iyahang formula is A is equal to pi r squared. Substitute na lang, kaya naman tayo kuhan, radius na, right? Ang radius nato is 18 centimeters.
Yes,
So, ang pi r, kung saan ay equivalent sa pi?
3.14.
Very good. So, ato na lang i-substitute kung kusay amount ay pi dira o ni radius. So, si pi times radius squared. So, ato i-substitute?
3.14 times 80 centimeters squared.
So, si pi times 18 centimeters. So, ano ba siyang, unahon nyo dito ang naka-parenthesis, right? Mag-answer? So, 18 centimeter, times na siya o kaduha, which is equivalent to 324 centimeter. Now, naman taaning squared. So, ato na lang i-substitute si pi. So, 3.14 times 324 centimeters. So, area of a circle is equal to 1,001
because a circle is called a perfect round. So, makakakuha is a perfect round yun is ang Earth. So, ako siyang i-example as ang Earth ug ang Mars kay nag-integrate ng po nito science, which is the planet Earth. And now, I will call on Maria and Steven for another activities.
So, class, karoon na natin activity. Naminaw lang sa mo ganina sa discuss ni Miss Mary Joy. Naminaw na ba? Very good. Naminaw kay kung naminaw mo, maka-answer again mo. Diba? Maka-answer naman mo, class? Yes. Good. Karoon, first is kindly get 1/4. Sama o individual. Kung katong mong na 1/4, ang wala is inyong hatagan. Dapat pag natagay, nagtatagan.
Sure, wala kang papel dahil kami
Importante mo yung nakakita yan. So, natagay
Hindi na kay papel lang wala.
Dapat natay kayo. Pwede lang sa nasa, basta. Kanay ko lang yan. Ano kaya siyata na? Ito ah. Uy! Adam na mag-1/4 na tanan?
Wala pa.
Okay, kakawin na 1/4. Tagilan yung gapon ah. Wala yung 1/4. Madali, kaya na. Natayin mo. Answer. Five minutes starts now.
Reduce 6 cm. Reduce 6 Bibi Kalma, 6 cm.
Given
nagalinis. Oh, mayroon yan.
Kapit na ba, Roman?
Kapit na, church!
Front lang. Right side lang. Nakaunt to 5. Answer papers na. 1. Napas na ba ang paper tanan? Napas na lang ba? Nasa ko ipakita ang picture sa ibuka. Gani, unsa man siya? Raise your hand. There you go. Card teacher. Very good. Mo ni siya ang card. Sa card, unsa may nakita ninyo nga circle? Very good. Kung wala'y will, dili siya madagan. Importante niya ang will sa card kay makadagan man sila. Then next is play. Kamu na ba maglaro sa ibalay? Mamugas ka mo.
Gamay.
Very good, no? Sa may gamit sa plato. Very good. Kung wala yung plato, wala na yung plato sa atong pagkaon. Kung importante mo na ang plato para natin sila na sa atong pagkaon. Diba, class? Yes! Good. Then next is butones. Importante ba ang butones, class? Last one. Raise your hand. Your door or shirt. Very good, no? Kasi butones, kakonsin siya para formal sa tanawon din, dili ka na. Basta kayo na tanawon ka ng malaki, dire ang kanang keeper or butones din sa ato ang uniform or sa ina. Then, karong class, halinaw na ba mo sa atong mga pictures kayo ipakita? Good. Clap your hands. Clap. Next is okay, good morning again, class. Good morning. Did you enjoy your activities? Yes. Okay, what from this activity? Who wants to answer number 1? Okay, Gladys. Is the answer of Gladys correct? Yes. Okay, very good. Who wants to answer next?
Ako, sir.
Okay. Rochelle. Come Is the answer of Rochelle correct? Okay, very good. It is 36. Well, because we're going to multiply 6 to itself, the answer would be 36. How about the next one? What's answer? Okay, Kimberly. Is the answer of Kimberly correct? Okay, very good. The last one? Okay, Manha. what is a circle? Yeah, can you give the meaning of a circle? Right, very good. So that's correct. A circle is a round shape with no sides. No sides. Okay, that's correct. How about the diameter? What is the diameter? Okay. Who wants to answer? Gladys.
Diameter is the longest distance between the earth and
Diameter passes from circumference to the center to circumference. So that is the diameter. So how about the formula of the diameter? Who wants to answer? Who knows the formula of diameter? Okay, Chrissy.
B equals to cap equals to R.
Okay, very good. B is equal to 2 times the radius twice the radius. So that's correct. How about the formula of radius? Okay, Mary Jane.
R equals to divided by 4.
Okay, that's correct. Radius is equal to diameter divided by
Oh.
that's correct. How about the meaning of the radius?
Ako, Jeffrey. Also mention. The radius is the half of the length of its diameter.
White class, listen to Doris.
The radius is the half of the length of the diameter.
Yeah, that's correct. So everyone read.
The radius is half the length of the diameter, measuring from the center to the edge.
Everyone read again.
The radius is half the length of the diameter, measuring from the center to the edge.
Very good. So now I want to ask a question. So what is the formula of the area of a square? Circle. Okay, Renepa.
So the area of the circle is equal to pi r squared.
Okay, very good. That is pi r squared. So I believe everyone so daghan na mo yung nakatunan karon. So now ready na ba mo para sa ato ang
Assignment?
assessment?
Yes!
Our assessment. So read what happened. Assuming that we are done, thank you everyone.
Yay!